Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we had discussed from question 1 to question 5 from exercise 4b from the lesson rational number, and the book name is Aris Agrawal. Now, today we are going to discuss uh, from question number 6. Now, see question number 6. These are the numbers. In this, we have to find the descending order. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. The number is 17 by minus 30, 11 by minus 15, minus 7 by 10, 3 by 5. And remember one thing, if negative sign is in the denominator, we have to change it into positive. And which means first we need to convert each negative denominator into positive denominator. Okay, so first rational number which has the negative denominator 17 by minus 30, we need to convert it convert its denominator into positive to multiply minus 1 with numerator and denominator. Clear? So we get the result minus 17 by 30. Same way 11 by minus 15, we multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1, so that we get minus 11 by 15. So the new number is minus 17 by 30, minus 11 by 15, minus 6 by minus 7 by 16, 3 by 5. Now we need to get LCM of the denominator of each of the rational number. Okay, the rational number is the denominator is 30, 15, 16 and 5. Sorry, not 16, 13. 30, 15, 10 and 5. And we need to get the LCM 13, 15, 10 and 5. The LCM of this is 30. So, and remember one thing, each and every rational number must be changed into equivalent rational number with denominator 30, which we have get in LCM. We have got in LCM. Minus 17 by 30, we multiplied by 1, minus 17 by 30 we get again. Minus 11 by 50, when we multiply with 2, in the denominator we get 30 and the numerator we get minus 22. Minus 7 by 10, we multiplied with 3 in numerator and denominator. In denominator we get 30 and numerator we get minus 21. In same way, when we multiply 3 by 5 by 6, we get 18 by 30. In each and every questions we get 30 as a denominator. So and we need to arrange the number in descending order: 18 by 30, minus 17 by 30, minus 21 by 30, minus 22 by 30. What we get after multiplying certain number to get the denominator. Okay, then we write the original number in descending order. We have written 3 by 5 greater than 17 by 30, 17 by minus 30 greater than minus 10 by minus 7 by 10 is greater than 11 by minus 15. We arranged this number in descending order. Get it? I explained one question from question number 6. I hope you solve rest of the question from the question number 6, because all the questions are of same pattern. So I hope you complete rest of the question from question number 6. Listen, question number 7, we have to find which one is true. Okay, see, minus 3 by 5, the first question, minus 3 by 5 lies to the left of 0 on the number line, and as you know that on the number line all negative rational number is in the left side of the 0 and all positive rational number belong to the right side of the 0. So minus 3 by 5 is a negative rational number, so it is in the left side of the 0. So question number 1 is true. Second one, minus 12 lies to the right of the 0 on the number line. As I explained you earlier that the negative rational number must be left of the 0, but here it is said that minus 12 by 7 lies to the right of the 0, and minus 12 by 7 is a negative rational number. Minus 12 by 7 is a negative rational number, so it must be left of the 0, so it is false. 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 2 lies on opposite side of 0 on the number line. Yes, because positive sides is of the right of the 0 and negative sign, negative rational number is in the left of the 0. So minus 5 by 2 must be in the left of the 0 and 1 by 3 must be in the right of the 0. So both the rational number is in the opposite side of the 0 on the number line. Now fourth one, minus 18 by minus 13 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. It is wrong, because minus 18 by minus 13 is a positive rational number, because as I said you earlier that when negative sign is in the numerator and denominator, then the number becomes a positive rational number. Okay, so this one is a positive rational number, and positive rational number is in the right of the 0, so this one is wrong, false. Minus 5 by minus on the right of the minus 5 by minus 7 on the number line. Minus 5 by minus 8 is a positive rational number, because sign of its numerator and denominator are same, so it is a positive rational number, and positive rational number lies on the right of the negative rational number, and minus 5 by 7 is a negative rational number, so minus 5 by minus 8 lies on the right of the minus 5 by minus 7 on the number line, so it is true. Now remember, question number 8, find 5 rational number between minus 3 and minus 2, and listen, we can write minus 3, we can convert this in some other equivalent rational number. How we convert? See, we have to get 5 rational numbers, so in numerator and denominator we need to multiply by 6, so that we can get at least 5 rational number in between minus 3 and minus 2. So we just multiply minus 3 by, in numerator and denominator by 6, so that we get minus 18 by 6, and minus 2 also should be multiplied with the same number what we have multiplied with the minus 3. So 6 by 6 we get minus 12 by 6, and see, minus 18 by 6, minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 15 by 6, minus 14, minus 13 by 6, minus 12 by 6. See, in between these two numbers 5 numbers are there, 5 rational numbers are there, minus 17 by 6, minus 16 by 6, minus 15 by 6, minus 14 by 6, minus 13 by 6. 5 rational number has come. So in the next we need to write this number in the original form. Minus 18 by 6 is equal to minus 3, and minus 12 by 6 is equal to minus 2, and rest of the rational number which is in between this minus 3 and minus 2 should be written in between this as it is. Clear? So always remember, when we have to get 5 or 6 or 7 rational number, we need to multiply with certain numbers, so that when we multiply in both the number with a certain number, in between them 5 or 6 or whatever number we need, should we get the value. Okay, ये हमेशा याद रखिए कि हमको नीचे इक्वल हो जाने की वजह से ऊपर काउंट करने से हमको आसानी हो जाता है कि 5 है कि 6 रेशनल नंबर बीच में है. ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए 6 इक्वल हो गया है, माइनस 18 का माइनस 17, माइनस 16, माइनस 15, 14, minus 13, minus 12. 5 rational numbers are there in between these two, so we have written this. Okay, now see the question number 9. In this question, we need to find 5 rational numbers between -1 and 1. We may write this -1 by 1 by 3. We can multiply with any number. Okay, हम किसी भी नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर लाने के लिए, जिससे कि हमको ये भी पता चले कि उसके बीच में, ये ध्यान में रख करके कि उसके बीच में 5 रेशनल नंबर आ जाए। अगर दोनों में ही सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो -1 में भी और 1 में भी दो सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उसके रिजल्ट में इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर आता है, तो ये दोनों नंबर के बीच में हमारा कम से कम 5 आना चाहिए। 5 से ज़्यादा रेशनल नंबर आ सकता है, लेकिन कम से कम 5 आना चाहिए। इसलिए हम किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके देख सकते हैं। तो -3/3 आया। अब सी -3/3, तो डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट बी इक्वल, ध्यान रखिएगा, डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट बी इक्वल। तो 3 एंड डिनोमिनेटर मस्ट बी इक्वल, so that when we increase -3, see -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and then 3. Okay, so -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 5 rational number has come. Okay, so -3/3, -2/3, -1/3, 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3 is written. Again in the next step we will write -3/3 in its original form and 3/3 in its original form. -1 is less than -2/3, less than -1/3, less than 0, less than 1/3, less than 2/3, less than 1. Okay, this question has completed. Next question. See in question number 9. In this we have to find the 5 rational numbers between -3/5 and -1/2. In this, first we have to make denominator equal. Okay, for this we need to find the LCM of the denominator, 5 and 2. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So we need to multiply, we need to get 10 in the denominator. For this we need to multiply 2 in -3/5 and 5 in -1/2, so that we can get denominator as a 10. So -3/5 should be multiplied with 2 in numerator and denominator, we get -6/10, and -1/2 multiplied by 5, we get -5/10. Now listen, our denominator is equal. Whenever we multiply with the same number, the denominator will be same for both the rational number every time. So the numerator must be vary so that we can get the as much as rational number we need. See here, we can multiply this by any number, but you must look after that, and the number the 5 rational numbers come in between these 2 rational number. ध्यान देंगे, हम किसी भी नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ध्यान ये रखना है कि दोनों ही रेशनल को सेम नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है। और ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि इन दोनों जो भी जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें, जो नंबर हमारा है उनके बीच में 5 रेशनल नंबर होने चाहिए। 5 न्यूमरेटर अलग अलग आने चाहिए। डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा, लेकिन न्यूमरेटर 5 अलग अलग आना चाहिए। ठीक है, सी व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 we get only -12/20 and -10/20. Only one are in between them. See, -12 and -10, between these two -11 is there. एक ही नंबर है -11। उसके बाद 3 से करते हैं तो ऊपर आ जाता है -18, यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में आता है -15, तो only -16 and -17 two numbers are there. Okay, then we do 4, we will not get 5 rational number. When by multiplying with 5 we will not get 5 rational number, so we multiplied with 6. 6 -36/60 we get, -30/60 we get. See, -36, -35, -34, -33, -32, -31 and -30. 60 will remain same because we make the denominator equal. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 5 rational number has come in between minus 36 by 60 and minus 30 by 60. Then we will put this rational number in its original form, minus 3 by 5, and this rational number in its original form, minus 1 by 2, and remaining rational number we will put as it is. So minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 35 by 60, minus 34 by 60, minus 30 by 60, minus 32 by 60, minus 31 by 60, and then minus 1 by 2. Clear? So we will make by this way the between rational number. Okay, whenever we get 5 or 6 or 7 rational number in between two given rational number, we will do by this process. Okay, now listen. Now all of you listen. We have completed exercise 4b. I hope you understood all the questions what I explained on the board. So do practice, be laborious, be sincere, be careful, and try to watch this video carefully, silently, peacefully. Okay, have a nice day. Good day.